Hello friends, please help me. I have some trouble with my oscilloscope ATTEN ADS 1152CA, and you can see the channel 1 is set to 10 volt and channel 2 also set to 10 volt, but the cursor is not in the middle position. When I change the voltage to 5 volt, again the cursor, the middle line is not in the middle. Changing to 1 volt, same. Changing to 500 volt, disappeared, and the channel 2 line came to minus level. Again 200 millivolt, it appeared again in the same position. 100 millivolt, same. 50 millivolt, same. 20 millivolt, same. I didn't connected anything to the BNC sockets. Just disconnected everything. And in the 10 millivolt range, the channel A again disappeared. 5 millivolt range also disappeared. It's finished. Now we can set it to 500 millivolt. Again change the channel B, channel 2. Look, I change it from 10 volt to 5 volt. Then the channel 1 line disappeared. Channel 2 is in 2 volt. In 1 volt, channel 2 in 1 volt, again channel 1 appeared. So this is the channel 2 in 500 millivolt, channel 1 become in the center position. In this position only, both the channels are in 500 millivolt. In this position only I can trace with the probes, but the tracing is also not good. I can trace the 1 kilohertz signal. Let me trace the 1 kilohertz signal. Look, I can adjust the horizontal. The waveform is not correct, both showing channel 1 and 2 only at 500 millivolt level. If I change the voltage 1 volt, the signal disappears and the cursor become in another position, top level. Please pardon me for my English, and give me a solution what to do with this scope, what will be the problem, and give an indication what could be, what to do, how to repair this scope. Thank you.